everybody, how are you all doing? I hope everybody is doing absolutely fantastic. Welcome back to our channel लविष्का Wing It with Moni में आपका स्वागत है. And this is me Monishka. अगर आप इस चैनल पे न्यू आए so please consider subscribing because we create a lot of fun content based on makeup and entertainment. तो ये मेरा पहला वीडियो है जिसमें मैं live talking. So today I'm going to create a very fun and very quick 5-minute makeup tutorial like pink look हम create करने वाले हैं. All the rosiness, pinkiness. I have just took a shower and let's prep my skin. I'll be using this Bellora Paris Niacinamide Superb Skin Serum. I've almost finished it. If you can see, इसकी packaging थोड़ी ऐसी है, ग्रेडियंट कलर की है. डन. मैं पहले नायासिनामाइड के सेरम्स ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती थी क्योंकि मुझे लगता था ठीक है मुझे तो ऑयल आता है सो मैं सैलिसिलिक एसिड ही लगाती हूँ. बट आई फील कि ऑयल तो आ जाता है बट ये जो रेड मार्क्स रह जाते हैं, जो सीजनल एक्ने होता है, ओकेशनली एक्ने निकलता है, उसके जो रेड मार्क्स होते हैं उसमें इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट. So if you guys have like the marks left behind जो acne के रह जाते हैं, so do try any good kind of niacinamide serum. Further going on with, अभी इसको तो introduction चाहिए ही नहीं, it's my favorite moisturizer. Just a bit, like a pea size, and then warm it up and nicely go in, especially my under eyes. आजकल कुछ ज़्यादा ही बेजान हो रही हैं. Nice. Okay, I just wore my hoops and I came back. For just that extra shot of moisturizer, I am using this cute little spray from Rico. It comes with SPF 25 and it's damn refreshing. It smells amazing, like a watermelon wali vibe. It has got grapeseed almond oil और देख सकते हो बहुत ही ज़्यादा glowing skin के लिए. We'll just wait for couple seconds so that it gets absorbed by my skin. So now my skin is nicely prepped and we'll quickly go in with the concealer. I'm using this waterproof concealer from Sugar. It has got amazing undertone. So I just use this concealer on my under eye area and wherever I need some coverage and to hide any of my dark spots. So in this look, we are not going to use any foundation. If you have some acne or dark spots, conceal them with your concealer. Also, I just used 2 or 3 drops here so that everything matches. And let's quickly blend in with my Swiss Beauty Kabuki brush. I don't want to conceal everything. I just want that little bit coverage. So now you can see my entire base is done. I don't apply my base product here. I don't know why because it's already dark and वैसे भी we do the contour and ये जल्दी करना है. So I just skip that part so that natural contour लगे. लास्ट में भी blend our under eyes so that हमको वहाँ पे ना coverage ज़्यादा मिले. Just dab, don't drag, dab. So last में ना जो भी product बच गया brush पे, I just apply that on my lid. See the difference. Now you can see कि यहाँ पे है ना थोड़े से brush के marks रह गए. So what I like to do is take a beauty sponge and beauty blender and just blend everything nicely. No harsh lines. हाँ जी, हो गया. Now let's just make my brows and I'm using this little mini kit from Wet n Wild. So far जितने टाइम मैंने यूज़ किया I have loved this palette. Is there anything else which I have to discover but I don't know? Wow, this comes with mirror और अभी तक मुझे पता नहीं था. Wow. Also, this comes with a little tweezer, which we are not going to use. And also cute little brush. This brush is multi-purpose, like either a clean spoolie hair and a flat brush, obviously to take the product. I'm taking this shade right here because it's the darkest shade of my eyebrows is nearly black. I'm just filling any gaps. हाँ जी, बन गए मेरे brows. Okay, yes. So you guys might have noticed मुझे यहाँ पे भारी भरकम वाला कट है. And I always fill this. मतलब बहुत बचपन से मैं ये fill करती हूँ. So I just fill this very first. I used to be very insecure about this cut. So now brows are done. So I'm using this lip and cheek tint by Recode. So this is a nice coral shade. I just love it. I'll swipe. Pigmented, right? Also some on the nose. Just dab, 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 dab. Dab baby dab and have some patience. आप लोगों के सामने कर रही हूँ इसलिए थोड़ा डिसेंट तरीके से कर रही हूँ, वरना तो आई गो लाइक see nice. It instantly adds that color on the face. अब मुझसे पूछ नहीं रही है इतनी ज़्यादा blending. Take my sponge and blend. I just love it. Can somebody tell me how much blush is a lot of blush? Because I'm satisfied, but I still want to add more. So let's just add more. 1 and 2 and okay, I'll just blend it. Time to set up base. I'm using this translucent compact powder from Sugar and I have used it a lot. It comes with this sponge. And that bit here. Let's go in with this same cream blush and apply it as a color liner. This is my favorite thing to do. Use lip and cheek tints, lipsticks as eyeliners. I just don't know why I like it so much. I'm going to use a kajal pencil. Now watch out the way I do my kajal. काजल से वाटर लाइन के अंदर नहीं, थोड़ा सा बाहर ले आना है. See, like this. The normal water line, मैं वो करके दिखाती हूँ. How this and that one looks different, you will come to know. See, that looks a bit okayish. This is also nice. If you like this kind of kajal, great for you. But I like this. थोड़ा बाहर निकला हुआ. It looks a little bit more accentuated, I guess. वो शेरशाह मूवी थी ना, उसमें जैसा कियारा अडवाणी लगाती है, like the dark one. एकदम गंगूबाई जैसा भी नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क भी नहीं, like this. अब लिप एंड चीक टिंट को लिप टिंट की तरह ही यूज करते हैं. Let's just do my lip liner first. I'm taking this normal local store से ली हुई pink color की lip liner. You can use any pink liner. अभी गेम चेंजर प्रोडक्ट लाते हैं. दिस इज दिस मस्कारा फ्रॉम शुगर. कोई भी लगा सकते हो, बट इस लुक के अंदर गेम चेंजर मस्कारा ही है. और एक और चीज आने वाली है. लेट्स जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट. सी द डिफरेंस मैन. तो इस लुक का दी एंड होने वाला है विद एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट which is a highlighter. So I'm using this face palette in the shade 03 Fierce Feet from Sugar. It has got this beautiful shimmer shade, and this is going to be the star of the show. अगर आपको ये लुक पसंद आया सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, इट विल मीन वर्ल्ड टू अस. ऑल्सो टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स what next you would like to see, which type of look or whatever you guys like. Until next time, bye.